Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 2 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter the material prices on 3 cost workup sheets. Example item 2.3.08 Input Door Base Pull Price. Pulls are in the hardware category on the cost workup sheet. Handles is another name for pulls. Pulls do not have dimensions on the project dimensions sheet. If the pull requires dimensions to calculate accurate cost, the width, depth, and height dimensions are entered on the cost workup sheet in row 152. Over the green character values in cells N, O, and P respectively. Row 152 is hardware pull, item. Item is included in the description to indicate that the pull is evaluated on a unit basis, not a dimensional basis. Some types of pulls are evaluated on the basis of dimensions. Enter $2.75 per piece for one pull in cell T152. When the price is entered in cell T152, the total material cost, $3.03, for that material is calculated in cell X152. After entering the price, return to the instruction sheet by selecting the tab to the left along the bottom of the window. This example, 2.3.08, is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 2.3.09.